One of the problems that we have done with the way we teach and learn, that we have fractured knowledge. We have separated knowledge as religious knowledge as one section, and what we like to call secular education, which is a misnomer in the first place, because secular, if you take the meaning of secular, not the Indian meaning of secular is all religions, but the actual meaning of secular is which is godless. There is no interference of God in that matter, which is called secular. That's the actual meaning of secular. So this is secular knowledge. Now that's a misnomer. It's like saying halal pork, because it's either pork or it is halal. It can't be the two together. It's a mutually exclusive term. So secular education, either it is education or it is secular. If there is some so-called knowledge which is devoid of the presence and the mention of the Creator, then it's not knowledge, it's misguidance. So you can't call it knowledge, because knowledge is the opposite of misguidance. So if it is secular, if there is no God in it, then it cannot be knowledge, it's misguidance. So you cannot have secular knowledge. But we use these, we have got used to using terms without thinking about the meaning of that term. So I don't call it secular knowledge, I call it supportive knowledge. So you have religious knowledge and then you have supportive knowledge, which opens your eyes to the reality and truth of the religious language.